Yeah, me too. Soy, madam, sige na pag-picture na kamo atong duwa. Wait, mapaso na. Sige.
May dala-dala kami.
Ah, isa.
Okay. Morning. You want to follow you right?
Yeah. This over there though. Over there. Uy, mahusay kayo. Oh. Ore ni rotasyon. Yes, babe.
Magsiswimming siya. Hello. Ready na si Mada mag-swim.
May ganyan. Nasiring man ako. May danira ano. Miyan na. Oh, adi nat isda. Sapin-sapin. Wow. Kukuhaan ko ito.
Oh, I didn't see
Binignit.
it.
Ay, binignit. Adorly. Ay, ano. Day. Binignit, day. Ay.
Binignit, wow.
Oo. Ginatana. In Waray.
Pwede kayo nagagalito, kuya? Only Friday, kuya.
I will run into
Kuya, thank you. Just a little.
a sugar coma.
Okay, thank you. Wow, may binignit sila mo doon.
Ay. Lumopi pa naman tira bilignit. Malapot ka.
Yeah.
Malapot,
Thank you.
madam. Ikaw nakakuan na ako ay mo.
Oo, palala.
Na ano na ako ay mo. Na, thank you, babe.
Ako na lang magdala, madam.
Ayun.
Ayun, may cellphone ka.
Okay.
This is what I'm saying. My mom and dad made this before also.
Me, I know how to make this one. Ginatan. My mother made that.
Then that's what you need for the mangoes to go. It's like those little.
Yeah, we need to buy tapioca. This is tapioca, kuya.
You need to fit the pillows good. You don't need to mind the other.
Babe, this one, we call it
Jackfruit.
bula-bola.
Bola bola, yeah.
Yeah, we call it bula-bola.
And this is jackfruit.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know how to make that? Siami, right?
So hot.
Mono?
Siami, right?
No, this reminds me of my dad. When I was a little kid eating this one. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't cry, babe.
I haven't tasted this in a long time.
Your dad made this.
My dad was the one that taught my mom how to cook.
Wow.
It was
Ayun
my
na.
dad that cooked, yeah.
Mm.
But my dad is like super skinny. But when he became old, he was skinny but had the old man belly.
Yeah.
But he don't drink or anything like that.
What do you call that? Binignit, right?
Binignit.
No, we call this
Ginatan.
ginatan.
Ah. Pero,
Binignit in Cebu, be. Binignit. In Tacloban, ginatan.
yeah.
Ginataan. But there's also ginataan in the, when you put milk, like coconut milk, ginataang isda, ginataang
Yung buhok mo, madam.
Madam naliwat.
Did you get the jackfruit? Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
It's inside this.
The jack.
Minute tunay. This is the real taste of binignit. This is the real,
Really?
yeah. This is the real, taste of binignit. This is the one.
Just got the jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit.
Yeah.
Only in,
You don't like it.
only in Sheraton. If you wanna eat this, just come here.
The only they prepare only, they serve only every Friday. Yeah.
This is good for merienda, let's say.
Yeah, merienda. It's delicious.
Yummy.
You know, the consistency is jelly.
Yeah.
Even though I don't eat this one, but still yummy.
Very good.
It's munggos ate.
Really?
Yeah.
Munggos. Munggos, sweet mango. Mango tuloy, munggos.
Let's eat it.
It's yummy.
It doesn't look very good. Tastes
Yeah. Sayang to, hindi ko na nakain.
Great.
Sabi ko na hindi ko, pero I like to try. I know I cannot finish it, but I like to try their food. Ah, the puto. The puto with cheese. Look, their puto is cheese.
Yeah, no, it's cool, but it's not this sweet. So,
It's sweet. Yeah.
she made food. What the molde? What was it for leche flan?
Bagakot ko, ano yun yung mabot. Ay, na to. Pwede ba? Hindi hasgan. Ano nagpapa video na. Pipicturean ko yun.
Bantay-bantay tumira ko lang kay kung may mahal.
Ayun. Didaton. Ay, di mo lang yan. Magkakape. Pagkaya na daw ako. Ayun. Pag mo na kitang kape, tas nga to kita. Puray nga di wifi.
Naabot ko is may madami na
Tara, pagi mo kitan kape. Pagi mo kitan kape.
Hindi daw kita mga katulog.
Makakaturo kita ito. Tara. Tuod ka man ito. Di ako, magkakape ako. Ay, sakit. Dili kasi kumarang. Ila ito. Gipipidlit malat, ano? Aram na ako. Ano, daw kita hada ko na rin nga di. Adala ito. Ikat pagpukya na kami si Rodrigo. Natural green tea. May gusto mo mag-tea.
No, un mese. No, quello è stato ad €1 ed era di prova, ed era una settimana di prova.